This is a daily files folder that we have that has all these files from December in it. So let's say now it's January, I come along to my daily files folder and I decide to make another subfolder for January. And this folder is meant to automatically refresh a Power BI dataset. So I go into January and I'm gonna put in my file for January. All right, so now that's uploaded. I uploaded it to my daily files folder. And now I'm gonna check on the flow that's attached to this folder. So here is the Power Automate flow that I have attached to that folder. When an item is created, it's meant to refresh a Power BI dataset. But you'll notice that this trigger action is pointed at the daily files folder. It's not pointed to any subfolder. So this will not cause my flow to run, because in Power Automate's mind, nothing has been changed in my daily files folder because we added a new subfolder and then added the new files there. So a way to avoid this is to be mindful about how you create your folders in the first place. This is where you'll really want to think at the beginning about the longevity of your folder or your report. So maybe when I'm setting this up, instead of just pointing it at the daily files folder, I know that I'll have to set this up to an individual month. So to change this, I'll just come in here, I'll quickly repoint this. So let's go into the little folder icon. We'll go into the daily files folder and select the January folder. So you can do this, but you'll have to do it again every single month. So I would advise, if you have files for a data refresh like this, to just keep all the files in one folder.